Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, and this is an emergency SHIBA Inu update, along with an XLM and an XRP update here in a couple of minutes. But we told you we were in the midst of 150 to 237% pump, and from the bottom now we're getting into this red trading zone, which is the VP volume indicator. We're currently up 61% from the bottom, and since old Vincenzo decided to get the signals he needed to confirm that indeed we were going to have this massive pump, and the pump was just getting started, we jumped in on Robinhood here, and we are up 11.52% or $103 in rising now, as we expect some kind of a blow off and a massive rocket ship with the afterburners to take place as we get into this VP volume indicator. Because the more we can get into here now in this red zone, the less restricted volume there is, and we can shoot straight up to the next target up here at the point bunch of zeros 1302, just like the afterburners when you're breaking out of the Earth's atmosphere. We expect it to get up to here, and that would bring us up to a total move currently from the low, getting up near the bottom part of that 150% range. That would bring us up 111%. And from the point of this trade that we're currently in, that would bring us about 56%. I expect to at least get 100% out of this trade, because I think we could get as high as 20.2021, or even in an orgasmic blow off like XDC did, we would go all the way up near 300% up at 31.32. And I expect this to all happen over the next couple of days to maybe a week, to maybe 1 to 2 weeks at max. But I expect it to be a big move, and a big move quick, and a big push with the retail traders jumping in on some of the news. And you'll see something in the hour time frame. We had the volume start to pick up back here on July 23rd. Then we had another big pump, and the volume continued to pick up, or on July 16th. The first volume pump up was back here on July 2nd. So we had the volume uptrending. Then we had a beautiful consolidation with decreasing volume and then leveling off, just like the price, which is a beautiful consolidation. And then we had another uptick for the third time in a row in volume. We had this little mini double top right there, and that's when I said, you know what? This is the signal: uptrend in volume consolidation, uptrend in volume consolidation, uptrend in volume consolidation. That is price, volume leading or teaming up together with the price, and simultaneous pumps and consolidations in the right fashion. That was the signal that we needed. And then we thought that this move was actually going to take place at least 150% up from its swing low, which would be 100% plus move for the trade. And that seems to be happening. And if we can get into this red trading zone, we could have a big candle spike within an hour time frame of something like that today, immediately. Or we might get a rejection here and have to come down and retest down here to the moving averages as they trend up to get our next consolidation. But right now, the volume continues to increase, along with the price continuing to rise in the hour time frame, and that is all short-term bullish for this move that we're looking at. And you can even see in the 2-hour time frame the same thing, and the 3-hour time frame the same thing. And you notice the classic fake out to the downside with a big wick down, a forceful, brutal, if you're watching the trader trying to swing trade around leverage, a big, forceful, powerful, intimidating move to the downside, and that scared a lot of people out, and it immediately corrects back up to the upside, and then starts this massive mini bull run in a bear market rally. And this is going according to plan, and you can see what it's Shiba Inu bone up 8% on broad ecosystem hype details. Ecosystem are notably on a bullish run at this time of the top token in the meme coin ecosystem. And what we're talking about here, and it's perfect to be able to identify a rally, because the last week XLM, XRP, Bitcoin have all been getting beaten down. XDC was on a massive rally, just like I'm anticipating something that we're in the middle of here with Shiba Coin. But now in the last couple of days, it's come down in a correction at its lowest level so far from its high, 30%. And the rest of the sphere has been down, right? Nothing else is riding this weekend. The only thing that's pumping is the Shiba coin, and that's why you need the bell notification and like the channel to get that truth and information you need, at least in my own personal opinion, on the technical analysis and then the breaking news. And it's a down market. Everyone's getting beat up, but old Vincenzo was out there looking for you. And at the very least, you're at a 12.5% to 14% up on a trade, guaranteed to make profit. For my technical analysis here, not a financial advisor. You should never take my advice. I'm just showing you what I am currently doing, picking the one big winner this weekend out of the group by identifying news like we're talking about here and the technicals to support the news, or the news to support the technicals, depending on how you want to look at it. One of the top tokens in the meme coin ecosystem, Bone SHIBA Swap, is on a definite rally, soaring as high as 5.4% in the past 24 hours to $1.73 for the past week. The token is up 24%, as also riding on the broader ecosystem hype.bone price chart source coin market cap. The hype is questioned and hinged on the expectation of a new era, as well as will be brought on by the launch of SHIBA on the main net this August, with the launch timeline already revealed for some weeks now. Community members have been pricing in the event with a unique focus on Bone. And what we know here at Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing is we're anticipating and playing the pump, but then we understand there's going to be a harsh sell-off after the momentum dies out, just like with the current XLM and XDC and XRP big hype pumps that they had based on news that does eventually wear off. So we're just going to do this as an inner swing trade on the hype. Bone has joined the overall hype that Shibararium is, or whatever you say that, is hurdling as more projects will eventually make their way to the Ethereum Layer 2 protocol, which will in turn be listed on ShibaSwap, which demands for Bone will generally bolstered. Bone next bullish target, right? So all the news is lining up with the technicals on Shiba, and we think we're going to be in for a fantastic weekend, as we're now up 13% as we go back live to the chart. 13% on Shiba Coin, and you can see this skyrocket, this big bull market, and this big inner day pump that we've been anticipating is now getting into that thinly traded red trading zone. And the higher up we can get into here, we're moments away from a potential big candlestick to give us big rewards. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love.